Hey everyone, thanks for checking in on the RC Quick Drive of the RC4WD Drive D110 here. This is video number 3 of the Quick Drive series, and today I'm installing some rock sliders onto this beast. Yep, I looked at the side of the truck, I'm like, the edges, the rocker panels here, they're getting pretty beat up. In RC4WD Drive, they offered this really neat rock slider set here, and we're going to take a quick look at it. These are super easy to install. I mean, all you really need to do is remove the 4 screws that hold on the body and screw these in place. Now, these are some really nice looking rock sliders here. These are metal, powder coated black. Look super cool, and I already pre-checked it. They fit right over the holes on the body. No need to modify anything here, but I did notice that the stock screws that hold on the body are a bit too short, so you are going to need longer screws. So to install these, all you're going to need is a 2mm driver. I'm going to do that now. I'm going to throw these things on, show you how cool they look on the trail. This is going to be a lot of fun driving over rocks and roots and stuff like that, and not worrying about the rockers getting scratched up anymore. I'm going to go and put the part number in the description below for these. I'm also going to let you know what size screws you need to have on hand for the swap. And I'm going to go take this on the trail for a quick drive so you can see how it looks out there. Now, if you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button, the notifications bell, throw the video a like, question or comment about these sliders, throw it in the section below. And when you have some extra time, head over to rcdriver.com.